thanks for joining me again for this Qigong bedtime routine. We're going to use Qigong exercises that are easy to follow, to relax, chill out and release all that stress and tension so that we can have a great night's sleep. So find somewhere to sit nice and comfortable. It can be a chair on the side of your bed, it can be on the floor. And what we're going to start off doing is we're going to squeeze in all that tension and stress, and then we're going to relax. And what I want you to visualize is you're bringing in all the stress and then you are relaxing. So we're pushing it all away, bringing it in tight, really squeezing all our joints, all our muscles together, and then relaxing, feeling the stress and tension melt away. Bringing in the tightness and then watching it melt away. And again, breathing in and breathing out and relaxing. We're going to bring our hands up to here with an inhale and then exhaling out. Inhaling in and exhaling out. If you can, try and count to 3 on the breath in and then count to 3 on the breath out. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. If you can, breathing in through your nose and then breathing out through your mouth as if we're blowing away all of our worries so that we're calming the mind and relaxing everything out. And again, bringing it in and breathing out. And hold our hands here. Now making sure that we're in a relaxed position. Not really wanting to engage my arm muscles and make anything work too hard. We're just turning just a little bit, waving our hands, and again bringing them back, swapping them over in the centre, loosening up that spine, keeping the shoulders relaxed, and again. One more on each side. Bringing our hands onto the thighs, we're just going to bring them down to the thighs. We're not really rolling down, and then we're going to bring and pull them up. And what I want you to do is exhale on the way out and then inhale as if we're pulling all that positive energy into our bodies, exhaling all the negative, inhaling all the positive and exhaling. Again, keeping the breathing calm, counting to 3. Another little twist. So we're going to place our left hand on top of our right. I'll do it mirror image. I'm just going to turn to the side, bringing it back to centre, and the other way. Placing one hand on the side and bringing it back. Don't overstretch. It's just a nice peaceful turn and bringing it back to centre, and again nice and gentle and bringing it back to centre. We're going to do a very small gathering the chi. So we're not really bringing our arms up this time, but we're still gathering that energy and bringing it into the body. Inhaling as the arms are going up and exhaling as they're going down. And again, 3 counts in for the breath and 3 counts out. We're going to progress that, so we're going to bring our hands in for 3. We're going to hold them at the dantian and hold the breath for 3, and then we're going to relax. And again, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 2, 3, and relax. 2, 3, and relax. And again. Hold, 2, 3, and relax. One more time. We're going to bring our hands up and place them on our face so the eyes feel really dark. And what I want you to do is feel like we're calming, we're emptying our mind of all of our negative thoughts, bringing our hands in and then releasing all that stress and tension, feeling it really melt away. And again, emptying the mind, clearing our mind, clearing our thoughts, and again. And visualizing ourselves asleep, nice and rested, relaxed, and very peaceful, and relaxed. One more time. And bringing it down. Okay, we're going to bring our arms round to the dantian. We're going to hold them here. I'm just going to breathe in and breathe out. Making sure we're in a nice relaxed position. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in. Feeling relaxed, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, bringing the hands around and breathing out. Breathing in, nice big deep breaths and breathing out. One more time.